question is, why is it that women get chopped by emotions the most than men?
Could you maybe ask that a little bit louder again?
Okay.
Because you're a bit far from the mic.
Oh, okay. So my
Do
question.
people know what the word chopped means? Eh? Also be very inclusive with your word. Why do women get chopped by emotions?
Okay. So my question is, why is it that women experience the most emotions more expressively than men?
You see, men,
Yes.
are also emotional.
Yes.
Times even more.
Yes.
Most people have been arrested for letting their emotions get the best out of a man.
Yeah.
Yes, that's true.
Sure.
Most people have been evaluated with their mental state for having done things out of their emotions on men.
Yes.
Women get angry.
Yes.
With extreme measures of anger. Men. You'll be very surprised how emotional men are.
Sure.
I mean,
Yes, Father.
it's just that a lot of women are attached to men emotionally who were never attached to them emotionally. So it seems like the man has no emotions.
Sure. Yes.
As you see, when he presents to you, he's making a presentation of emotion. No matter what intention he has, he presents an emotional proposal, which you accept it in an emotional state. Even if it's got nothing to do with emotion for you. You see?
Yes.
With me.
Yes.
You see, the woman was taken from the rib. I'll just give you an example.
Yes, Father.
If you were to get skinny, the insides don't show, the ribs show. Huh?
Yes, Father.
If you had to laugh your lungs out, right? Tighten your diaphragm and whatnot, the ribs would show. What's inside? If you cry in agony on the floor. The ribs have shown. Everything else aside. You were taken from that part of man which at every point of extremity in his life, that part is what shows up. Extreme anger, extreme pain, starvation.
Yes, Father.
Are you following?
Yes.
Whenever there is hunger in a lion's camp, the male lion doesn't go.
Yes.
So there's the female.
Sure.
They're the ones that show up with their starvation.
Yes, Father.
When an ant colony is being established, when there is no food and whatnot, it is only the female that you see in that state.
Yeah.
Afterwards, you won't see the queen. When the ant colony is full and fed and all that, you won't see it. Almost like a fat body which has eaten the ribs. Show me.
Yes.
So there is also that part. Besides you having attached yourself emotionally to people not attached to you emotionally, there is that part as well.
Yes.
What you are built for. You with me?
Yes.
There are certain things a man would take lightly without you. Right?
Yes.
If your child didn't go to school because of school fees, a man would be like, no, we'll try next week. Let's just keep hustling. We'll find something the child will go next week. You will be heartbroken. You'll be, no, my child. Right? And then you will see that. That will make him act a lot. Are you with me? It's that power in that he never knew would bring out the things that really matter. There are times you play things off cool, and then you're super excited. The other part of that shows them that no, this thing really is something to be excited about. Listen,
Yes, Father.
so it's a good measure that God has put in place. With me.
Yes.
So you can argue with somebody and say, you're not eating. Like me, I'm eating. I'm not eating. Then you're like, look at your ribs. The same way you would tell her, look at your wife. There's a problem. You may always be smiling, but look at your wife. That's a real indicator.
Yeah.